Godly morning! Part of my spiritual growth is to memorize God's word. Sa bone check ko naman, isa ka verse. Panyo ko, number 1, Lamentations 3 verses 22. It is of the Lord's mercies that we are not consumed, because compassions fail not. And why end time? Nabalaan. Yun na. Where did Jesus heal the blind man named Bartimaeus? Nabalaan. Yun na. Ang sagot, sa Jericho. Makita sa Mark 10 verses 46 to 52. Nabalaan. Yun na. Don't forget Ephesians 1 to 3. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor thy father and mother, which is the first commandment with promise that it may be will with thee, and thou mayest live long on the earth. I am Immanuel Pimaranyon, na sana Pastor Pimaranyon, and Tiri Maranyon. God bless.
Bible.